Welcome everyone. In this MockFlow IdeaBoard AI tutorial, we'll learn how to create a business mind map for a SaaS company in under 2 minutes. Watch the full video to see the final mind map. What is a mind map? A mind map is a visual diagram that organizes ideas around a central topic using branches and sub-branches, helping you brainstorm and understand connections more clearly. Now, let's create one using MockFlow IdeaBoard AI. Log into your MockFlow account, go to your dashboard, hover over New IdeaBoard, select Generate with AI, and enter your prompt specifying a business mind map for a SaaS company. Click Generate, and your AI-generated, editable mind map will appear instantly. Next, refine and finalize the mind map. You can invite teammates to collaborate directly in the editor. MockFlow IdeaBoard makes real-time teamwork effortless. And that's it. Your SaaS company business mind map is ready. You can rename the board for your convenience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like and subscribe for more AI-powered design ideas with MockFlow IdeaBoard. Give it a try today.